How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on Android phone. If you found that someone is actually calling you but the call is not ringing on your phone, then here is how you can fix this problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix WhatsApp call not ringing problem, you just need to press and hold the WhatsApp application from your phone and then go and tap on app info. And from here, first thing first, you just need to scroll down and tap on app permissions. And from here, you just need to make sure you have allowed all the permissions. So you'll get to see these are the not allowed section. So you just need to tap on this one and tap on allow. And you just need to do for all these that are not allowed. And once you have allowed all the permissions for the WhatsApp, you just need to get back from here and then scroll down and tap on notifications here. And just need to make sure that you have enabled the notifications. And also you just need to enable all these notification options that are available for the notification on WhatsApp. And once you have done this, you just need to get back from here and then go ahead and tap on battery saver and be sure to select the no restrictions. And then get back from here, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. And from now, the WhatsApp call will have started ringing on your phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.